Oh my God, y'all, we got Beat Sync. Wait a minute, I'm a free user. Can I still use it? Yes, we can. Yes, we can. All right, let me show you as a free user. You got to do a little more work now, just to let you know, but we can still use it. So let me show you how. So, first of all, you want to get your whole pictures, videos, whatever set up, lined up how you want it done. The key to this too, as a free user, because it's not going to automatically sync it for you, you're going to have to sync it yourself, is to make sure you have your transitions you're going to use in before you start working on your audio. If you're not, you're going to have to redo all the stuff. And I'm going to show you what the stuff is. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go in here and I'm going to do a chop in between each one of those. So I'm going to go in here, add my little choppy chop. Where's my choppy chop at? Right here. So I'm going to apply between all my pages. All right, so now that's done. Now that's how I want my video to look. So that's going to look cool. And now I'm going to head over to my audio. So I've noticed so far in the Canva library, when you pull up audio, the tick marks are already in there. So you don't have to worry about those. And maybe I'm wrong, but so far I've noticed the tick marks automatically are in there for you. So we're going to go into if you upload some audio. So this is copyrighted song, so you will not hear it. I will do one with a Canva free version song and put it on the end of this video so you can see the afterwards, but I just want to show you this right here. So when we click on this and my music pops up here, what you want to do is you see this pop up, it says Beat Sync. So what you want to do is hit that, sync now. So that'll automatically do it if you're a pro user. You're not a pro user. But this doesn't have the tick marks either. So what you want to do is display the beat markers. So what it's going to do is it's going to go through your music, and here's your beat markers. So after you see your beat markers, now, if you have something from the Canva library, these beat markers will already be in there for you so far as I've seen. So the only thing you have to do as a free user, because it's not going to automatically do it for you, is you're going to have to go through and line them all up. So what you want to do is see where your line hits right there, and you're going to hit it right in that little mark. Sometimes they're easy to hit, and sometimes they are not. But it's what we do as a free user to get what we want done, and that's how you're going to do these. And you just get it in that tick mark, and it should line it up for you. And so we're going to do each photo in the tick mark. That one looks like it's already there, but do it again. That one looks like it's there. Pretty much, yeah. And that one's in the tick mark. We want to pop it over a little. Get it in that tick mark. So when you play it, it'll hit. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a free version from Canva. We're going to delete this track here, and we'll go into audio here, and we'll pull this one up. Oh, let me undo that real quick and put it here so it'll start there. Put it here. And as you can see, the tick marks are in that already. You don't have to use the beat sync or anything like that. And you can just line that up. And because this is not going to play the audio for you because Canva doesn't do that, and I'm making this video with Canva, I am going to make this video for you, and then I'm going to upload it behind this so you can see what it sounds like with the transitions and everything in the beat. So give me a minute and I'll be right back. Or a couple seconds to you. And And here we go, the finished product. Da-da, 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 da-da. We still did it and didn't have to pay for a pro. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. I want to thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Much appreciated. If you would hit that like and subscribe button, it'll help me out a whole lot. And hopefully we can do some more work together. Much love. Michelle says bye.